Welcome. If your WhatsApp app is not responding on your PC, don't worry. We've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk through some simple steps to get your WhatsApp app back up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First, try closing the app store completely, and then reopening it. This can help refresh the app and resolve any temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, it's time to restart your device. Sometimes, a quick restart can clear up app-related issues. Here's what you need to do. Press the Windows icon, then click on the Hall Power icon. Select Shutdown, and wait for about 30 seconds. After that, press the Power button Soultion to turn your PC back on. Next, if the problem persists, try connecting to a different network. Sometimes, a weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from responding properly. To change your network, click on the network icon in the notifications area. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network or try connecting to a more stable one. Now, let's make sure your internet connection is working properly. If there's an issue with your connection, it could cause WhatsApp to freeze. Here's how to check. Click on the network icon in the notifications area. Check if your internet connection is stable and working properly. If nothing else has worked so far, you can force stop the app. This will close WhatsApp completely and may help fix the issue. To do this, press the Ctrl P Alt Delete to open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, find WhatsApp, select it, and click on End Task. Afterward, try reopening WhatsApp again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of WhatsApp not responding on your PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.